Okay, now, so please and please, before you get started, if you are new to this channel, I want you to actually subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's see our analysis on our Euro USD for the day or for the week. By the way, as we can see, our Euro USD, by the way, we are actually on a downward trend. If you can look at the full trend, we're actually on a downward trend, but we are starting to have something like called a pullback. Once we have our fall, we actually have a pullback, and actually we are starting to have that pullback, and I believe our pullback will be ending very soon. We will continue to actually continue our bearish move on our Euro USD. When are we going to see that pullback? Is probably when our pullback touches this our 10 period moving average on our daily time frame. Then we will see a fall on our Euro USD. That's exactly what I believe will happen. Now let's see on our USD index. By the way, on our USD index, we are actually having a fall again. If you have to sit on our daily time frame, we're actually going to see this as a bullish move, a retracement, a bullish move too, a retracement, a bullish move also. Higher, we can see our previous higher highs. Now we're having a retracement. I believe from here, or probably when our price comes down here, we can actually, if it our price possibly can hit this key level here, we will continue bullish, by the way. So I believe our USD will be going bullish. That means our euro for this week will actually be falling against our USD. So as we are seeing that a little bit of a bullish move on our euro to our USD, that is where we will be getting that fall on our USD index. As our index is actually falling, then our euro should actually be rising. That is why I've gone to my 4-hour time frame. I believe that if my price can actually come touches here, then we would continue going bullish. By the way, a little bit of a fall, then a bullish move. Don't forget that our price can also react bullish move, as this place is a key level. This place was once our resistance level. We can see this also serves as a support area here, but this is it. Our price can actually reverse up, let us not forget, but I still believe that our price will actually come down a little bit to take out this liquidity area here before we actually see that bullish move breaking our previous higher highs. So as we are having that bullish move on our USD index, our euro should actually be falling. So a little bit of a bullish move on our euro, then a fall on our euro USD. That is exactly what I believe would happen. So that is my analysis. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share. Thank you.